guys, welcome to Travel Lovers TV. Today we have come to Vega City. We have come to lower ground floor, Baskin Robbins Ice Creams. They have a wide range of flavors in ice creams, toppings, cakes, shakes, sauces and combinations. They have the option of making our own combinations. All their flavors have unique taste and essence. Let's get in and see what happens. Baskin Robbins Vega City is really clean and hygienic. Proper precautions are taken and proper hygienic measures are followed. Now let's get in and ask them about their ice cream rolls and ice cream cakes and their prices.
The blueberry cheesecake, ma'am. The 500 grams. So.
Blueberry cheesecake, right?
Blueberry cheesecake.
Blueberry cheesecake. This is blueberry cheesecake by Baskin Robbins Celebration Cakes. It is 500 grams and it costs rupees 637 rupees. This serves around 5 to 6 people. It seems very delicious with blueberries on the top and ice cream cheesecake inside.
The red velvet fantasy center.
Red velvet fantasy. This is red velvet fantasy cake. This is also 500 grams cake which costs same as 637 rupees. This also serves around 5 to 6 people. This cake also looks really delicious with Oreo on the top and red velvet sprinkled and red velvet cake inside.
Black forest now 1 kg.
1 kg Black Forest. This 1 kg Black Forest cake costs 951 rupees and serves more than 10 to 12 people. This also looks really delicious.
Truffle mango.
Chocolate. This is 1 kg Choco Truffle cake which is same as Black Forest cake which costs 951 rupees and it serves around 10 to 12 people. Celebration ice cream cake. 4 flavors, huh?
Here. Na akade.
Mango cake.
Alfonso mango cake.
Mango ice cream cake. No?
More than ice cream cake.
This Alfonso mango cake is 618 rupees which is 500 grams which also serves 5 to 6 people. Cotton candy ice cream.
Ice cream cake.
This is cotton candy ice cream cake which costs 618 rupees and also serves 5 to 6 people, 500 grams. This is also considered one of the best sellers. Another best seller is Kit Kat ice cream cake. Smooth, creamy Dutch chocolate ice cream with Kit Kat bites spread generously on a top of luscious chocolate sponge cake and topped with crunchy Kit Kat wafer biscuit and chocolate balls. This is considered one of the best sellers and this costs 732 rupees. Another bestseller is Hershey's Kisses cake. The decadence of Hershey's, a chocolate overload ice cream, meets 2 layers of delightfully soft chocolate sponge cake and is beautifully done with Hershey's Kisses milk chocolate, a whipped cream swirl and a golden edible balls. It's a must try. It costs 732 rupees. Another bestseller is Lotus Biscoff cake. The Biscoff ice cream is generously spread over a bed of handmade Biscoff biscuit crunch and rich vanilla sponge cake, perfected with a delightfully golden brown caramel sauce and lotus biscuits. It's an extraordinary. It's a bestseller and costs rupees 761. Another flavor of cake is pineapple cake, a 4-decker cake made with alternative layers of super moist vanilla sponge cake and pineapple ice cream, garnished with white chocolate and whipped cream swirls. Pineapple cakes never run out of fashion. Another flavor of cake is berry dark chocolate cake, a unique mouth-watering cake made with a layer of vanilla sponge cake and luscious strawberry ice cream, and another layer of chocolate sponge and decent chocolate ice cream, layered with whipped cream and white chocolate stickers. Is there a better combo other than berry chocolate? Yes, this costs 637 rupees. Now we have come to ice cream rolls. This is ice cream cake rolls.
ನಮ್ಮದು ಮಿಸಿಸಿಪಿ ಮಡ್ ಅಂತ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ಯೂ ಕ್ರಂಚಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಡ್ಜು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಿಸಿಸಿಪಿ ಮಡ್ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೂಪರ್ ಇದೆ, ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಬೆವರಿಯನ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೆವರಿಯನ್ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬ್ರೌನಿ ಕೇಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಫಡ್ಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಬೆವರಿಯನ್ ಐಟಮ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ರೆಡ್ ವೆಲ್ವೆಟ್ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚೀಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ರೆಡ್ ವೆಲ್ವೆಟ್ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ 450 ml ಕಪ್ಸು. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಯಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು 700 ml. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಗಳಿದೆ. ಬಟರ್ ಸ್ಕಾಚ್ ಇದೆ, ಅನಿನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಮಿಸಿಸಿಪಿ ಮಡ್ ಇದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಗಳಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್, ಬಾರ್ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ಸು, ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ವೆನಿಲಾ ಇದೆ, ಆಲ್ಮಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಮಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಜಲ್ನಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್.
ಇದು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು?
ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಂದಿಟ್ಟು ಫುಲ್ ರೋಲ್ ಕೇಕ್ ಆದರೆ 819 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಲೈಸ್ ಆದರೆ 131. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಸ್ಲೈಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
10 ಸ್ಲೈಸಸ್.
ಬೆವರಿಯನ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ,
ರೋಲ್ ಕೇಕ್.
ಹೌದು, 900 grams ರೋಲ್ ಕೇಕ್.
900 grams. ಫ್ಲೇವರ್
ಬೆವರಿಯನ್ ನೈಟ್ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಬೆವೇರಿಯನ್ ನೈಟ್.
ಇದು ಮಿಸಿಸಿಪಿ ಮಡ್ ರೋಲ್ ಕೇಕ್.
ಮಿಸಿಸಿಪಿ ಮಡ್
ರೋಲ್ ಕೇಕ್.
red velvet roll cake. All these cake rolls can also be used on all the occasions and can be also be taken as a piece, roll or a whole cake for an occasion. For similar details about ice creams in Baskin-Robbins, Vega-City, do check out the link in the description for the video on it. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to our channel Travel Lovers TV.